Hello kids, in English learning today we are taking up the next vowel digraph OA and the sound is O. As usual kids, we'll be writing date, classwork and the heading sound of digraph, and today's digraph is again a vowel digraph OA because both of the letters are vowels. OA gives O sound. O. Let's start to write and understand how it gives the sound in between the different letters. Starting with G capital and O, continue to make A like this because its flick goes from here overhead and make T at the end, and the word is goat. Goat. A goat is a pet animal. It gives us milk and meat. The next word we have today is starting with B capital. B will turn inside and now makes O separately. Along with O, you will be making A and T. B-O-T. Boat. Boat. Here are the pictures of boats. It is smaller than a ship. Next letter, first letter is F capital. F-L, fleur, O-A-T, oat, float, float. Lighter things float on water, whereas heavier ones sink, like a toy duckling is floating on water. Next letter will be C capital, seeker, O-A-T, coat. Coat. A coat is worn over other clothes to keep warm. Next word starting with T capital, O, A, S, and ending is again T-ta, toast. Toast. Sliced bread roasted on both sides is called toast. We can spread butter, mayos or jam on it. Next word is S, starting with S, O, A, P, P, soap, soap. These are the bars of soaps. We can clean our body and hands with the help of soap. Writing for next word, we are to start with T-ta, O, A, and the ending sound is D-d, toad, toad. Toads look like frogs, but they have small limbs so they cannot jump. Now, instead of T, we will be writing L capital, O, A, D, D again. Load, load. Here in the picture, a donkey is carrying load on its back. Donkeys can carry heavy loads on their back. So another rhyming of load we'll be writing starting from R capital, O, A, D. Road, road. To reach a place, we can take a road. Let's start with C capital, the next word, O, A, and C-H. Digraph at the end. The word is coach. Coach. Here in this picture, a person wearing yellow t-shirt is training kids in sports. He is a coach. For writing the last word, we will again start with C capital, and along with C we will be writing L, O, A, and ending sound is K, K. The word is cloak. Cloak. A cloak is a long rope wrapped around the body. As usual, we will be repeating the words again. And in the center, we'll be starting to make G capital again for writing goat word. G-O-A-T, goat, and in similar way the words will be repeated. Thank you.